A foreign worker has come forward to share his story. His employer took away both his salary and his job. Have you experienced something similar or know someone who has? Let's listen together.
Hello, is this the helpline?
Hello, yes, what happened?
I came from Moldova to Estonia for seasonal work. The employer said that I should invite my friends too, so we all came together. Our boss gave us an apartment and transport and told us the work was important because the harvest had to be collected quickly. You see, the days were long and we were paid in cash, in an envelope at the end of each day.
If the employer offers cash-in-hand pay, they are cheating both you and the government by avoiding taxes and avoiding the obligations to pay you properly. This is illegal.
We were always transported by a driver and he was also the one who gave us our pay. Then, I don't know, like in the middle of the month, one evening he came to pick us up and said, the next salary will only be paid at the end of the month. Okay? You see, he said this way, everyone gets a bigger amount at once. Yes, it felt a bit weird, but we had always been paid before. So, we didn't think too much about it.
This is a clear trick to confuse and manipulate the foreign workers. Let's see what happened next.
Then at the end of the month, the driver came again and said the job was somehow finished. I mean, the harvest wasn't even done. And we still had no money, We had only spoken to the boss by phone. Didn't even know his last name. Just some guy named, Margus. At least the driver took us back to the city, but now we don't know what happens next.
Cash-in-hand pay has many problems. The employer often avoids paying the full salary, including overtime. And because they do not pay taxes, the worker does not get social guarantees, no health insurance, and no sickness benefits. If you're a foreign worker and have problems like no work contract, cheating with pay, manipulation or not being paid at all, or if you know someone in this situation, please reach out for help.